Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and today I have a really fun and educational video for everyone because we are talking about top 10 blockchains ranked by activity and active users. Lately, we've seen hundreds, if not thousands, of new blockchains launch. Most of them just raise funds, and then after a long time of not really developing and failing to gain traction, these projects fail. But today we are talking about a different side. We are talking about 10 fastest growing blockchains of the year. And the source of the article is Cointelegraph. You can actually find the same article in the description. So we start our list at number 1, and we have Solana, which at the moment has 57 million active users. Fully diluted value is $107 million. The token trading volume in the past 30 days was $284 billion. And the key drivers of Solana, of course, are NFTs, meme coins, really strong community, and also accessibility with different wallets, decentralized apps. And we also have in this article some of the challenges of the blockchain. So Solana has the main challenges, which are outages, which happens, of course, and also, of course, the competition and the degree of centralization. At number 2, we have Near Protocol with 51.2 million users. And actually, you can see this is pretty close to Solana, which surprised me when I was doing this video. Next up, FDV is 3.1 million. This is a big step down from Solana. The token trading volume in the past 30 days is $7.8 million. And the key drivers are AI integration for user-owned agents and interns, low transaction fees with the carbon neutrality, partnerships with projects like EigenLayer, and ecosystem expansion in DeFi and gaming, which are really big factors right now in the market. And again, we have the challenges. Near is a bit slower, and they have pretty high price volatility despite user growth. Again, the numbers are really impressive for the users, but not as impressive for the value. Next up, at number 3, we have BNB chain, which is a Binance chain, which is again a big deal. They have 46 million users. FDV stands at 121 billion, which is actually higher than Solana, but also Binance holds a big supply. Next up, token trading volume in the past 30 days is 56 billion, and we have the key drivers for the growth and popularity. So first of all, they reduced block time to 0.75 seconds, and they added AI integration for data ownership. And we also have some of the challenges, which are pretty similar to projects we talked in the past. So first of all, they have centralization concerns due to backing of Binance, because Binance holds a big part of these tokens. And again, it makes this project kind of dependent on the Binance. At number 4, we have Base from Coinbase. And we have 21 million active users, 2.9 billion FDV. And actually, if we compare to the top 3, Base is a bit newer blockchain. The key drivers are ultra low fees, which are $0.01 in average. And we have, again, pretty similar challenges. We have congestion because they have high activity and dependence on Ethereum for security and regulatory compliance as a newer ecosystem. As I mentioned, they are newer, but the numbers are still really impressive. After that, we have number 5 with Tron. We have 14 million active users. We have FDV at 35.5 billion. Token trading volume in the past 30 days is 51 billion. And the key drivers are really cheap transaction fees. Lots of everyday crypto users use Tron to actually do daily transactions because it's cheaper and also it's a bit older. So more people are familiar with this chain. And also they have pretty big partnerships with the projects like Rumble Cloud. And the challenges are pretty serious. I think the main one is their founder, Justin Sun. And also they have regulatory scrutiny and again, centralization risk. After that, we have number 6, Bitcoin, and this one actually kind of surprised me. They have 10 million active addresses. FDV, of course, is really big, 2.3 trillion. Token trading volume in the past 30 days is 1.3 trillion. And the key drivers, of course, are ETFs, professional investors, long-term holders, and the challenges are high energy consumption, also pretty high transaction fees. So it's mostly used as an investment tool, not as a day-to-day transactions. Next up, we have at number 7, Aptos, which has 10 million active users. FDV at 5.3 billion. Token trading volume in the past 30 days is 13 billion. And the key drivers are Speak, almost 20,000 transactions per second, Move language for security contracts, and partnerships with projects like Tether. And the main challenge is that they need to broaden the adoption and competition from established layer 1s. And at number 8, we have Ethereum. I was actually thinking Ethereum is a bit higher because they have so many decentralized apps, they have games, and they have been for a long time. So right now they have only, in my opinion, only 9.6 million users. FDV is $522 billion. Token trading volume in the past 30 days is 1.1 trillion, which is pretty high if we compare to other chains on the list. Key drivers are ETF inflows and institutional staking. Also, they have a huge list of games, decentralized apps, NFTs. So lots of different projects built on Ethereum. And the challenges are higher fees than competitors, scalability issues, and regulatory pressure. Next up, we have number 9, which is Polygon. They have 7.2 million active users monthly, FDV at 2.6 billion, token trading volume in the past 30 days is $4.2 billion. Key drivers are partnerships with Fortune 500 firms, which is actually a news for me. I didn't know about these partnerships, and I actually had to dig deeper. And the challenges kind of repeat with all of these platforms. So first of all, regulatory scrutiny under the MiCA and competition from other layer 2s. And the last but not least, we have number 10, Arbitrum One, and they have 4 million active addresses monthly, FDV at 5.1 billion, token trading volume in the past 30 days is 14.3 billion. Key drivers for the growth are integrations with platforms like Robinhood for tokenized assets and upgrades like Stylus for lower fees. And the challenges are dependence on the Ethereum mainnet, regulatory uncertainty, and competition from optimism. So guys, what do you think about the list? And what other new blockchain can enter this list in the next few years? And guys, of course, thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.